Namaskar. Today I'm going to teach you a Satkarma, that is a yogic cleansing technique that can cure constipation and arrest the symptoms of food poisoning almost immediately. Constipation, beside being uncomfortable, is considered to be the root cause of almost all diseases. It is because uncleared waste matters produce harmful bacteria and toxins that slow poison the body tissues and weaken them. Over time, ill health is bound to follow. And food poisoning is a serious problem which anybody can get at any time. Sometimes people have got it while traveling and have died because medical assistance could not reach them on time. Under such circumstances, this practice can be a lifesaver. The practice is called Laghu Shankha Prakshalan. The literal meaning of Laghu Shankha Prakshalan is the minor washing of the conch shell. The conch shell here refers to the intestine, which is as inaccessible with its nooks and corners as a conch shell. This technique can access every part of this organ. Now the process. What you do is heat up 6 glasses of water. It should be hot but not that hot that you have to sip it, which you are not allowed to. Then add 1 teaspoonful of salt into it and mix well. When the water is ready, drink 2 glasses of it quickly and do 5 asanas. First one is Tadasana. Interlock your fingers and keep your hands on your head. Then inhaling, rise to your toes while raising your arms up. Turn your face up and stretch. Then bring your heels down forcefully with a thud and hands back to the head. Do it 8 times. The second one is Triyak Tadasana. Here, stand with your arms stretched above you like in the previous one. Move your legs apart, take a deep breath and exhaling, bend to your left, then inhaling, straighten up. Do the same on the right side. Repeat the asanas 4 times. The third one is Kati Chakrasana. Stand with your legs apart and arms stretched out. Take a deep breath and exhaling, turn your body to your left. Keep your right hand on the left shoulder and left hand on the right waist. Then inhaling, return to the starting position. Now do it on the other side. Repeat the asana 4 times. The fourth one is Triyak Bhujangasana. Lie down on your stomach, keep your hands on the ground beside your chest, then inhaling, lift your head and chest, then holding your breath in, turn to your left to look at the feet. Now turn your head to the front and exhaling, lower yourself to the starting position. Do the same on the other side. Repeat 4 times. The last one is Udara. Squat on the floor, keep your hands on your knees and take a deep breath. Exhaling, turn to your left and keep the right knee on the ground near your left foot. Then inhaling, return to the starting position. Do it on the other side. Repeat the asana 4 times. Now repeat the entire process, that is drinking 2 glasses of water and doing the 5 asanas 8 times each, twice more. After that, you go to the toilet and you will have a clear motion. If you are doing it for food poisoning, you might have 1 or 2 motions more, but generally by then the infection is gone. Although there is no food restriction involved in Laghu Shank Prakshalan, if you take khichdi as the first meal, it will be still better for your system. Laghu Shank Prakshalan can be done for various reasons: to cure diabetes, obesity, constipation, etc. If you are doing it to arrest the symptoms of food poisoning, that is loose motion and stomach cramps, then the treatment is not complete without Vyagra Kriya. Vyagra Kriya involves vomiting out the content of the stomach. Laghu Shank Prakshalan removes the infection from the intestine, while this technique removes it from the stomach. To do this Kriya, heat up another 4-5 glasses of water, add a teaspoonful of salt into it and mix well. Then drink as much of it as possible, and putting your index and middle finger into your mouth, find a sensitive part in your throat. Tickle it or press the base of your tongue to induce vomiting. If the stomach content is too acidic, then it may hurt your food pipe, but that is nothing to worry about. To counter the burning, you can take rice gruel in diluted milk as your first meal, half an hour after the Kriya. Alternatively, you soak half a teaspoonful of isabgol in half a cup of milk and drink it, also half an hour later. It will give a soothing coating to the walls of the digestive tract. But neither Laghu Shank Prakshalan nor Vyagra Kriya should be done in old age or by people with heart ailments, high blood pressure, hernia, and severe back problems. That's all for today. God bless you.